guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, I actually cannot believe it is Christmas Day. I am so excited. In today's video, I thought it would be very fitting to show you what I got for Christmas, but not from my family, from Beauty Bay. Over the past year, I've been working with Beauty Bay and they're literally so nice. Probably one of the loveliest brands I've ever worked with. And they actually gifted me some of my favorite products this Christmas. I'd say Christmas has come early, but it literally is Christmas Day and I can't even deal. Obviously, before I get kick-started into this video, I do just want to say a huge thank you to Beauty Bay, literally for even giving me this opportunity. I can't believe I've been blessed with you guys this year. You have been so incredible to me, so thank you so much. Some of the things I actually wanted were in the sale, which was so baffling to me because I feel like these products are actually quite hard to get since I live in the UK, but Beauty Bay just obviously do pull through with everything, don't they? Literally everything. And the fact that there was a sale on top of the items I already wanted was just double yes, like yes, give them to me now. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly dive into these two boxes. They're so big. What the hell? What the hell? I feel like I just need to sit here and reminisce for a bit because I just can't believe this is happening to me. Like, Beauty Bay is one of my favorite brands ever, and they've gifted me stuff for Christmas. My favorite thing. I literally can't. Anyway, I'm gonna stop being a little fangirl and we're gonna dive right into what I got for Christmas from Beauty Bay. So immediately as I've opened this box, I've already seen a product that I have wanted for so long, but I just could never get my hands on it. Oh my god. Okay, I actually have goosebumps. Is that a joke? Oh my god, can you see them? I'm so dead. So guys, the first product, is that a joke? Is that a joke? So this is the Jeffree Star collection for the mini Velour liquid lipsticks, and if anyone knows me, will know that I literally love Jeffree Star and I've never been able to get my hands on any of his products. So, you ready? Wow. Oh my gosh. So already I love the packaging so much, and I love how miniature they are. That is so cute. This is actually so good for travel size. That's probably obviously why they are a thing. So I have a feeling that this one is going to be my favorite color. This is actually called Nathan, obviously named after Nate, Jeffree Star's boyfriend. He is probably my favorite human on this earth, so I'm not surprised that the lipstick named after him is gonna be my favorite. I also don't really wear dark lipsticks, but I used to a lot, so I know that these shades are probably also gonna be my fave. I just love the fact that I've got a variation. Obviously, going to uni for makeup, I always need a variation of liquid lips for different skin tones, so I'm so happy that I've got this. This is gonna be going in my kit as well. I'm just so excited for this. I feel like we should swatch them. Should we swatch them? Let's do a swatch. Okay, I keep going for like little flushes where I'm like actually that excited I can't even comprehend. Oh my god, that is not what I expected, and it's so pretty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swatch all of these on my hand. I'll try and make it look as pretty as possible, guys. I feel like that's just not really possible with me though. They're so creamy. Is this a joke? You know when you don't know which one is your favorite lipstick and you just want to wear them all? Because that's currently what I'm feeling right now. My swatches are dreadful. Wow. I think as a beauty guru, I should be able to do this. Who am I kidding? I'm not even a beauty guru. They are the prettiest shades I've ever seen in my life. I don't know which one's my favorite because I love these two here and I love the bottom one, even though I didn't think I would so much. But I'm also really loving these dark tones here. Oh, I just love everything, don't I? So next we have something that I also am so desperate to swatch. It is the Glow Trip Glass Skin Highlighter from Nabla or Nabla. I'm depending on where you're from, obviously you'd say it differently. Me with my Chavi accent, I'd probably say Nabla, but it's probably Nabla, let's be real. Literally, just look at that. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, it's got these like pink reflex in it. Oh my god, they're like pink and gold reflex. That is the prettiest thing I've ever seen. So next we have some nails by Sosu. As you can tell, I really need mine doing, but I actually don't have the money to go out and get my nails done, so I thought best alternative is stick on nails. Literally, I remember I used to use these all the way throughout high school. I don't know why I ever stopped. This product, I know I said Jeffree Star was probably my favorite product, but this one just lies with me somewhere differently. Like, this one is just so important to me. So these are the Mood Crayons by Linda Hallberg. This brand has literally only just gone onto Beauty Bay this month, and they're actually a Swedish brand. Linda Hallberg is obviously the makeup artist behind this brand, and it is a higher price point, but honestly, I'm gonna swatch them for you, and they're so pretty. It literally is worth it. Anyone who is really into makeup, loves makeup, or even just loves doing exotic looks, more out there looks, you literally need these. I didn't know I needed them until now, until the other day when I saw them just sitting there on the website. I didn't know I needed them. I also just love the fact that the inside of the package is orange. I don't really know why. Here they are. So firstly, I love the packaging. So we actually have a green crayon, blue, red, orange, and yellow, and they're all named after different moods. My favorite is actually the blue one, which is called Cool Mood, and I feel like that's what I am the majority of the time. Okay, so I think I'm gonna swatch the blue, the orange, and the yellow, because they're the colors that are like the most appealing to me. Oh my god, is that that Joe. That is just so pigmented though, isn't it? Next we have Likeable Mood. Oh my gosh. Honestly, just wow. I was not expecting them to be this pigmented. The yellow, I feel like is probably such a hard shade. Oh my god, it's vibrant. That really has put me in a happy mood. The next thing I want to show you is actually from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics, and it is glitter, and I'm obsessed. I don't think you're actually ready to see this glitter. So the shade is called Cinderella, and it is just the prettiest shade ever. It's got like iridescent reflex in it. I think it's just so pretty. So Makeup Addiction is also another brand that is brand new to Beauty Bay this month. However, they actually set up in 2012, and their aim for their brand I love so much. It's to provide high-end products but without the high-end price, and I think that's just such a good aim for a brand. Next we have the Golden Glory. I don't think you're ready to see what's behind this because I definitely wasn't. So can you believe I have got my hands on the Going Out palette? I couldn't believe it either. It's sitting right in front of my face and I still can't believe it. So let's open this bad boy up. Can you see that reflection? That's so pretty. I love the choice of colours as well. So first thing I've noticed that I am absolutely already in love with is all of these top shades. They're like iridescent pastel colours. I feel like all I've been saying in this video is iridescent. As you can see, I've probably got a slight obsession with iridescent colours. As you can tell by my inner corners. Oh my god, they even have a matte black. So what I noticed actually when pulling out the palette is it came with a little plastic strip, and the plastic strip actually tells you what is like your base shades. This says create a base and deepen the crease using the butter matte from the four corners of the palette. Oh wait, that's so good. Do you feel like kind of new to makeup? That's good that they give you this. You also have some rainbow metals. Don't have to tell us any, we can already see those bad boys. Sections everything for you, which I think is so good. So I've actually just realised that there's 42 shades in that palette. That's so good. You normally get like 6 in a palette and you got 42. Next we have another thing from Nabla, or Nabla I think is how you pronounce it. I'm just gonna pronounce it Nabla this whole video, and it is the Dreamy Lip Kit. The packaging is to die for. I'm loving this. Oh my god, a lip liner. Guys, I can't even tell you how obsessed I am with lip liners recently. I cannot put on lipstick without a lip liner now. It's really weird because I never used to wear lipstick and now I'm just having this like obsession with it. So this is the Velvet Line lip pencil. This packaging is so pretty. This is the shade Attractive, and this is their liquid lipstick. By the way, I have just tried to get off those Hallberg eyeliners and they would not budge, which is such a good sign because waterline eyeliners, I always feel like they come off so easily, obviously being a new waterline, but they stayed, sis. Next we have a product that I cannot even believe I have in my possession. I own one thing from this brand and I'm in love with it. As you all know, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade. I bought it in LA 2 years ago and still it's like my ride or die product. Probably should get a new one actually. Obviously going to uni for makeup, I always need a variation of products, and for me myself as a creative artist, or what I'd like to think I am, I also need a lot of variation because I like to play with colours. I like to mix things together. So for Christmas from Beauty Bay, I actually decided to ask for the lip palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I just can't even believe that it's sat in my possession right now. I'm going to open it up and show you guys for those of you who don't really know what it is. But basically this palette is every single makeup artist dream, or even anyone interested in makeup's dream, editorial or for avant-garde or even just everyday looks. You have it in this palette. But it actually comes with a little flat palette as well, so you can mix the colours together on. I think that's so helpful. Inside there is also a spatula, and these are the shade colours. Already living for this shade over here. Literally amazing. And actually when you close it, it will tell you that you have your primary colours or here. This is probably my most requested thing that I wanted in my makeup kit, and that to me is just fascinating that I have that. I can just do anything now. So the next palette that I got from Beauty Bay was actually the Deuce by Juvia's Place. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Deuce, or is it Douse? The Douse? The Deuce? The Douse? Honestly guys, I'm so bad with names, it's ridiculous. However, I know a good palette when I see one. Oh, and a creamy velvet feel with rich pigmentation. That's just music to my ears really, isn't it? So the packaging looks like this. Already obsessed. Like if you tell me that that's not the prettiest shade you've ever seen, you're literally lying to me. This shimmer and this shimmer. So all of the shimmers I'm obsessed with and all of the mattes. I literally cannot wait to dive into this palette. Oh my gosh. I just want to let you know something. Basically when I saw this product on the website, I couldn't believe the fact that it was in the sale. Juvia's Place was in the sale. 30% off to be exact, which means that this palette is £14. £14. For Juvia's Place that is so cheap. And honestly, I can guarantee you the pigmentation on Juvia's Place is so worth the money regardless of the price. So the fact that it is £14 is mind-blowing. I also was lucky enough to get another Juvia's Place palette. As you can tell, I probably love this brand a bit too much. And this is actually the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place. So again, we have some shimmers in here. I am living for these two shimmers and this one here at the top. It's like a yellowy gold. Love that. I don't actually have any shades that look like this in any of my makeup palettes. So this is really, really helpful. And also a deep red. I've heard Nikki tutorials go on about this red from this specific palette so much, and I knew as soon as I heard her speak about it that I needed to get it, because obviously we trust Nikki out here. So this palette was a must on my Christmas list. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Surprisingly, again, this is actually also 30% off in the sale, which means this palette actually comes to £21, and that is pretty incredible. Just letting you know, that's literally £1.30 per shade. If I walked into a makeup store and there was singular eyeshadow pans for £1.30, best believe I'd be buying the whole store. So yeah, just a heads up, I thought that was a really good offer. So now it's time to dive into this lovely box. So, oh, what do we have here? Hello. Oh, BH Cosmetic Petite Chic 6-piece mini brush set. That is a tongue twister, but I'm gonna open her up. Oh, security seals, we love that for us. That's actually what I've noticed. Every single thing that I've opened has like a security thing on it, and that is so good because I always get really fussy about stuff like that. I don't mean to be that bougie queen, but just nice to know that stuff's hygienic. Oh wow, these are like the prettiest colors ever. They're like rose gold. As you can tell from my eyes today, I love rose gold, so this is perfect for me. Oh my god, I'm already in love with so many of the brushes. So firstly, we have a flat top buffing brush, which I actually needed one of these. Then we have an angled blush brush, which I will probably use for bronzer because I don't really wear blush that much. Tapered contour brush, which I am living for. Fluffy shader brush, obviously always comes in handy for anyone's kit. A blending crease brush, and then we also have a pointed crease brush, which everyone needs in their kit as well. Even if you're just doing makeup on yourself, you need a brush like this. So next we have a product that I was actually introduced to by Anna and Byron, and they love this product so much. So this is the drying lotion and buffering lotion from Mario Badescu. I've spoken about these products quite a lot before. My skin at the minute is atrocious. I'll insert a little bit on the screen as well of just how bad my skin is. So I'm going to be using this for the next couple of weeks to see if it does clear up my skin, and I've heard such good things about it. If ever I read up online about skincare, Mario Badescu is always the one that I'm directed to. I don't really know why I haven't invested in it before, but I'm just so excited to try these and get my skin back on the road. If your skin is feeling a little bit down as well, like mine, they're actually doing a discount at the minute on Mario Badescu Duo Holiday Collection, which is the one that I've got right in front of me, which means this actually comes to £17.50, which is not bad at all. When individually, if you bought the products, it would be a lot more. So yeah, just a little tip for your skincare. Next is Hank & Henry, and I'm just living for this brand at the minute. To anyone that watched my vegan series, if you haven't, I will leave it in the eye of here. You will know that I'm always on the search for more vegan and cruelty-free products. Hank & Henry are actually dedicated to looking for high quality vegan and cruelty-free products. And their lip glosses have also just been added to the sale with an extra 30% off. I cannot believe, because they're so good. So this is their lip luster gloss, and this is in the shade Presidential. I'm also living for lip glosses at the minute. If you can't tell from all of my recent videos, I am just wearing lip gloss in every single one of them. Oh my god, I'm already in love just by taking out the packaging. Oh my god. So it looks like a lipstick in the packaging, which I think is so cool, but when you take it out, it's actually a gloss. Did you hear that noise? That is so satisfying. Oh my god, it smells like mint and sweets. That is such a nostalgic smell. Oh my gosh. I really want to put it on. Do I put it on? I'm gonna put it on. I want to put it on. Oh my god, my mouth tastes fresh. That's why my lips look so nice. Just to add on top of that, right, the lip glosses are 50% off. 50, which makes them £7.50. Is that a sick joke? This sale is so good. I'm speechless. I'm literally speechless. So lastly, but definitely not least, is a product from Stila, and a lot of you know that I love Stila, and this product from them is probably my favorite product from Stila ever. I do love their lip liners, but I think this product just about tops it. So this is their Enchanted Eyes liquid eyeshadow set, and actually I have some of their liquid eyeshadows on my eyes right now, even in my inner corner. I feel like I just love this product a bit too much. So we actually have their Shimmer and Glow and then their Glitter and Glow collections in here. So we have Kitten, Jezebel and Pigel. Again, can't pronounce names. And then in the Glitter and Glow side, we have Diamond Dust, Smoky Storm, and ooh, a new one called Plum Art. So I'm actually gonna swatch these all on my hand just so you guys can see them. I love the fact that they're so mini. Is that a joke? I want to put that all over my body now. These are the prettiest colours I've ever seen in my life. So these are all of the shades from their liquid eyeshadow kit. As you can tell, you can understand why I am so obsessed with these. These were the first two that I swatched, and I think I just nearly fainted. And I actually don't own any of the glitter shades, so this was like a first impressions for me, but I love them so much. So guys, that is it. That is what I got for Christmas from Beauty Bay. I literally cannot even put into words how thankful I am that I even get this opportunity, and obviously without you guys I wouldn't even get these opportunities. So I just want to say a massive thank you to you guys as well for even getting me to this point, that I can have such a good relationship with the brand that they feel that they want to give me these things. That is like amazing to me, and I can't thank you enough. The most I could ever ask for Christmas is literally that you guys are happy and well, and I can't thank you enough for everything that you've done for me over the past couple of years. It's been incredible. I know I said it at the beginning, but I do just want to thank Beauty Bay again, because I'm just so happy. I will obviously leave Beauty Bay's links all in the description as well, so you guys can go and do a little bit of, you know, like Christmas shopping. Maybe buy yourself some new stuff for the new year. As already stated, their Christmas sale is incredible at the minute, so if you don't go over and get some stuff for yourself, you're literally missing out on such good deals. I can't even stress enough. There is also so many more products in their sale than what I've showed you today. Definitely go over and have yourself a look. Their link will be in the description. Anyway guys, that is it for this video. I really hope you are having the loveliest Christmas, and I hope you got everything that you wanted. Remember, Christmas is not about receiving, it's always about giving and being with your family. Even if you can't give, just give your love this Christmas. Give your love to your family, give your love to your friends. That is literally the best Christmas gift, is being with the ones that you love at Christmas. Always remember to be grateful for what you have. If you've got your family around you, then that's literally enough. And yeah, that is it for this video guys. I really hope you did enjoy. All of my links as per usual will be in the description. My Instagram will be on the screen right now. This year has been incredible for me, and I cannot wait for another one with you guys. I feel so emotional right now because this has just been the best Christmas ever. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy. And yeah, that concludes my 12 days of Christmas. I really hope you guys did enjoy these 12 continuous videos. I don't think I've ever worked so hard on a series in my life, and it has been stressful, but it's been so fun. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Sleigh ride together with you.